Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authenticate with NordPass for privacy first logins, quick tutorial step by step clearly. To start, download and install the NordPass application from the official website or your device's app store. Once the installation is complete, open the NordPass app. You will be prompted to create a new account or log in if you already have one. If you are creating a new account, enter your email address and set a strong master password. Ensure your master password is unique and secure, as this will be the key to all your stored data. After successfully creating your account, you will receive a verification email. Check your email inbox and follow the verification link to activate your account. Once verified, return to the NordPass app and log in with your email and master password. Next, enable two-factor authentication for added security. You can do this in the Settings menu under the Security tab. Follow the prompts to link your phone number or authentication app for two-step verification. Now, let's set up browser extensions or mobile app integrations for seamless login experiences. Select the browser extension option within the NordPass app. Follow the on-screen instructions to add NordPass to your browser. Once added, you will see the NordPass icon in your browser toolbar. To use NordPass for logins, navigate to a website's login page. When prompted, click on the NordPass icon in your browser. You can choose to autofill your credentials or save new login details. For added privacy, be sure to review the privacy settings in the NordPass app. You can customize what information is stored and how it is shared. Finally, always log out of your NordPass account when not in use for enhanced security. With these steps, you are now ready to authenticate securely with NordPass for privacy-first logins. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.